How to repost Instagram stories. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open the Instagram app like this, now go and find the story that you want to repost. So for me, let's say I want to repost this person's story. So open the story like this. After you open the person's story, now tap on this person profile at the top. After you tap on the person profile like this, tap on this three dot at the top right side and tap on this copy URL profile URL, this one. After you copy the URL or POP his profile, now close the Instagram and go to your browser. So you can use any browser. After you open your browser like this, now just go ahead and tap on this search and type in a message like this: view Instagram stories anonymously. This one. So go ahead and tap on this search and search for this. So after you search for this place, now you'll be able to see different websites. So here is the first website. It says instastoriesviewer.com. So open the first website. So from this option, now paste in the URL that you copy and tap on the search. So after you tap on the search, here it will give you the profile of the person. If you scroll to down, as you can see here, here are the old stories. So if you want to post the story on your own story, all you have to do now, just tap on the story like this. So now you can tap on this download button. So after you download the story to your mobile phone like this, now from there you can go ahead and upload the story to your own story. And that's it, guys, on how to repost someone's story on your own story.